Welcome back to my channel. Today we are vlogging. So I tried to start this vlog yesterday and I filmed a few clips, but I couldn't really get myself to talk to a camera. I don't know, I wasn't feeling very well. Anyways, I've been finding it kind of difficult to like ever since school ended and I don't have any more work to do related to school. I've just been really lazy and haven't been able to get myself to do anything productive. Like there's a bunch of stuff that I know I need to be working on and it's all like a jumble of blah in my head. So it just feels like, I don't know, I've just been really stressed because I haven't been working on anything, but I know that there's a lot of stuff to do. Although I feel like I can't really work on anything because I don't know what to work on right away. Also, everything around me is a mess. Like, I just haven't been a proper human being recently. But anyway, today that is gonna change. I am going to clean everything up, and also I shouldn't talk and eat. I'm gonna clean everything up in this room and also figure out, like, write a list of all the stuff that I want to work on and then figure out a plan on how I'm gonna tackle each one of those things. And hopefully that'll make me a bit more clear-minded. So yeah. Okay, so this is what I did. I wrote down everything that I could possibly think of that I need to be working on in the next 2 weeks. Just like everything I need to focus on before I leave Kingston. I just jotted it down randomly without, just as it came to me, not in order and nothing like that. Just whatever I could come up with, I wrote it down. And then I looked at that whole list and I separated it. So what I want to focus on this week and what I want to focus on next week, just depending on what's going on. And then after that, I looked at all the stuff that I had jotted down for this week, and I have separated it now by day. So now I know exactly what I want to be doing today, what I want to do tomorrow. And I don't know, it just seems so much more manageable now. Before, I had all of these thoughts in my head that were just like, oh, you have all these tasks that you need to work on, like you need to start working, you need to start working. But I just felt super paralyzed because it was all just so overwhelming. I didn't have a clear plan of what I wanted to work on first, like because there's no deadlines, like all the deadlines I'm making up myself. So I needed to figure out and prioritize things by most relevant. I don't know, hopefully now that I've made the tasks seem a lot more manageable, I'll be able to be more productive and not feel crappy for doing absolutely nothing. So yeah, we'll see. We're going to get some pizza.
Some zong.
And we're out of toilet paper, so we're gonna go get that too. Come, let's go together. It's raining. It's raining.
Rain.
$5 though. Yummy! So I completely forgot to vlog until now. But I also didn't have much to vlog anyway. I did my morning routine, which is yoga, meditation, and oatmeal. And then now I'm here. I'm just getting ready for work. It is currently about 12 p.m. and I have work. I'll probably be home again after work around 5. So there goes most of the day. The other plan is that I'm gonna be making dinner today. So I guess that's what today's vlog is gonna consist of. So yeah, see you later. At the grocery store probably.
Do it shirtless. How do I look shirtless?
No, get out! You can't do that. You can't! You can't do that.
Why?
This is a family-friendly channel.
This is family friendly.
No! Hi! So we're gonna do... Come on, actually put it...
I have to...
Okay. So, I'm gonna do a quick grocery haul. Here's Garrett, my helper. Okay, so we got chickpeas, coconut milk. How about you say it and I'll point it?
What is that? Almond butter, honey, peppers, squash.
No. Zucchini. I guess that zucchini can be considered a squash.
I don't know, can it?
A broccoli head with unnecessary plastic packaging.
Look at this, terrible.
Wow. So the recipe we are using is called Rich Red Curry with Roasted Vegetables, and Minimalist Baker posted it, so we're just following that. First thing we're gonna do is slice the veggies. Oh, I have to preheat the oven too. Hello. This morning, not morning, like 12 p.m. I had a waxing appointment, like at an actual salon, which is weird because I've never done that before. And I was gonna take my camera, but then I was like, I'll be nervous anyway, so I didn't. Ooh, I'm shaking the table because I'm redoing my nails. So I did that. It was actually not bad. I enjoyed it a lot. I mean, like, it hurts, but it doesn't hurt as much as you would expect. Like, it hurts when the wax is obviously ripped off, but the pain lasts a few seconds and then that's it. I mean, I feel like it's definitely worth it for how slowly the hair grows back, and my hair grows back really fast when I shave. So this was a great discovery for me because I think that it will really add some value to my life if I don't have to shave anymore. Wow, this is a really, really bad nail polish remover. Don't get Dollarama nail polish remover. The plan for the rest of the night is my housemate Reem, who you have definitely met in a vlog. It's her birthday today, and she invited Garrett and I to go out to dinner with her and a couple of her other friends. And that's like in about 45 minutes, so I better hurry. Right, so I just real quick changed up. Oh, maybe I should. I feel like if I put my hair up, it'll look better. I have armpit hair too, whatever. So I real quick changed up my makeup to match my outfit, and for some reason I feel like it kind of looks kind of weird on this? Like, do I look funny? I hope not. Yeah. Whatever, because even if I look weird, I still like it. So, that's all that matters. I'm in a weird mood today.
Shaved.
Not shaved.
Free the armpit.